Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 283 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Dr. Kesker has also stated that it is my humble view that the Industrial Relations Bill should come up and is expected to come up early, and therefore we would like to have their view before the end of January. That also we have made clear to the Commission, and I do hope that the Chairman of the Commission and the various gentlemen of the Commission who are there will consider this request and will accede to the request made by me on behalf even of all the different sections of this House. Anyway, in the last 3 or 4 months, the working journalists have made a great headway by bringing forward their issues before both these honorable houses, and I am sure it is a great education to the employers. Another point has been placed before the House by my honorable friend Mr. T. N. Singh and some others who said that there was victimization or fear of victimization if these working journalists appeared before the press commission and gave evidence. I want to appeal to the employers, knowing as they must the view of the government to protect the interests of the working journalists, that they should take a democratic view of things and they should be pleased that their employees who are working journalists are given the right to appear before the press commission to express their views as much as the employers who desire to express their views in support of their contentions. I, therefore, appeal to the employers not to become nervous, not to become shy, not to become angry with their employees because they would like to appear before the commission. I want to appeal to them that they should, on the other hand, be pleased and happy that their employees are independent, are prepared to express their views. I am absolutely certain that the employers will take note of this fact that if really there are cases of victimization or there are going to be cases of victimization, and if I am convinced that there has been victimization because they appeared before the commission, I shall try to use my best office to see that victimization is not resorted to. The resolution which my friend has brought forward is one near to my own heart, and I can assure him that, irrespective of the attitude I may have to adopt for practical reasons, my sympathies are wholly with the resolution. I have intimately known journalists ever since I started my own public career, and I have had lifelong interest in the welfare of the working classes in general in our country.